All right, spring is here, and couldn't wish for a better weather. And I think we kind of aced the timeline with the mill, so that we could start with this project directly when spring arrived. But in the last video, it was a little bit more snowy, so it was hard to really see what we bought. But I think now it's a little bit more easy to see what we have bought and how it looks like. So the aim for today is to get it running, hopefully. We have some issues we need to sort out. We got a battery and a gas tank, and then we will need to try to put some air into the tires and see if we can get it running. And then we maybe get a better understanding of what works and what does not work.
Exciting.
Yeah, for sure.
Maybe we should start with the easy part, trying to fill the tire.
Yeah, I think so too.
Get it rolling. Let's try to remove the seat so we can see better the engine and put the battery in place and so forth.
Check the oil once again,
Yeah,
just to make sure.
just to make sure. It's better safe than sorry.
Yeah.
At least to our understanding, we can't flip this one up. Maybe, I don't know if it's the original seat or not. But let's see if I can.
You're a little bit in the way.
The hinge, something else.
I can try to go from the other side and then we maybe can lift it.
Oh, very nice. Feels quite heavy though.
Yeah.
Should we take it?
To this side. Oh. Wait, yep. Oh yes, it's very heavy. How does the... Yeah.
We will see. For now, see, that goes to the starter, and this one goes through this.
If I don't remember wrong, we had some oil dipstick beneath here.
Yes.
So we need to remove this floor plate as well.
Yes. Yes.
Then we can see the hydraulic oil, and then I think it was on the other side the dip. No, here it is, the dipstick for the engine.
Yes.
That one can be an issue.
This one is hooked, so to say. Not good. I don't think this should spin.
No.
Oh, okay.
It was a little bit nasty to get out.
Yeah.
Yeah, now it looks really good. Like new.
Like you.
Engine dipstick is
Motoröl.
a little bit easier to get to.
Motoröl.
Show it to the camera. Yeah,
Full. And also,
looks like new.
no. Oh, very nice. Very
Either
nice,
they
very
have
nice.
just replaced the oil before they put it aside, or then it has had a really easy life.
Yeah. Yeah, either or.
Yeah, or both. Hopefully both. All right. That was good. Next, we should maybe try to figure out the gas tank.
Yep. Do that.
Yes. Yeah, before we assemble or put the gas tank on, we need to fill up a little bit of cooling fluid. Is it full already?
Yeah, but I say we're on the
Safe side.
safe side already.
We
Yes.
have gas.
Yes. Would be disappointing to put the empty bottle in place.
Gas is connected.
Yes.
Can we try to listen if something is...
Oh.
No audible leaks at least.
No. At least I can't smell anything either, so. Looks
Okay.
promising.
Yes.
Promising.
Yes, let's try to connect the battery.
Time for the battery. Let's see. This one is from the shop. Oh, very nice fitment. Then this should be minus. This should be plus. Hopefully.
Yep.
Yep.
Or, yeah.
Yeah, but this was.
I think
Yeah. That one is bypassed. So.
yeah, they are hooked to the same. Yeah.
Okie dokie.
What happens if we try to turn the key?
We should try.
Yeah. Oh, we got power.
At least
Seriously?
Some solenoid did something.
Yeah, you get the light on here as well.
Oh. Should we try to crank?
Yeah, why not? Oh, it really turns.
Sounds promising.
We got gas.
We got gas. Let's test.
Try now if I give it a little bit of throttle.
I just gave it.
Ah, okay. No, give it a gentle tap.
I mean the dial next to it, it's broken.
Oh, it moves.
Then it should move something down here. It's moving a bit. So we traced it down, it's this one. And now it's moving quite a lot. I mean, that has to be some kind of choker.
Yeah, but in what position should it be?
I think when you have it pulled out, it will be choked.
Okay.
Choked, yes. Like so.
Now it's fully out. Should we try again? Put the gas on. Is it the booster? We need a
I
little
think
bit more
Yes,
oomph.
a little bit more clean.
Yeah, let's hook the booster up and see what we can do.
Now, started to check the wiring a bit, just to see if something looks suspicious. But at least since it cranks, I think everything to the starter is quite okay. And on the, I'm guessing this is the starting solenoid. But now when I'm looking at the, for example, the alternator here, the cable to that one is only so long. So that one is missing the half of it. I don't know where the other half should be.
And then we flip this to start mode. Then we put max. Maybe max.
No, something. It's not about the oomph now.
All right. Yeah, we tried and we noticed that we don't have any spark. So we tried to a little bit check the wiring. And at least one cable we found that we think should be attached. It goes from the starter, and at least the body is connected, but this one is it was broken, so it was disconnected, and we think we found where it should be connected as well, since the ABIC, or what it's called,
Yeah, the terminal.
terminal was in place, but it was broken off. So we cut the wire, and now we will add a new connector so we can attach it to the.
And it's worth mentioning that none of us don't know shit about electronics, but we tried to backtrace it and found something that was loose.
I think this one is the correct one.
Nice, yeah.
Yes. Very good.
Very good. Like so. So now
We can try to see if we have spark. At least we should try, and then we see.
yes, and then we next.
Yeah, we
Next
continue
step.
until we find the spark, I guess.
But do we need to have both connected? Or just one?
Oh shit!
Pull up. Okay, so then there we have power.
Oh show! Do we have power now on? Yeah. Something. Okay. So what was that?
That was the power.
Yeah, but which one was it?
I
And
think
what
it
did you
was.
do?
I think with this terminal that went to ground.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So should we check for spark now?
So what did we do? We
Don't know.
no, we fiddle a bit with the wiring, and we open the distributor, and little bit fiddling with the breaker, points,
Mm.
and then we tried with another ignition wire, or what it is called, and now we suddenly have ignition or a spark, which is nice. So now we hope that it could start. So maybe we try. Let's put on the gas now.
Mhm.
Now we have gas. It was like it tried to promise at one point. Should we give it a boost?
Yes.
Now it's on. I just want to go there. It's just...
Okay. Already promised a bit. Not much, but something.
All right, welcome back. It's a new day. A
Day
lot
two.
more cold than last time.
Yes.
Minus 3 degrees Celsius, I think. Windy,
Something like
so not fun at all. But last time it didn't start.
that. No.
But we got spark.
Yeah, we
So
got
we
spark
think-
and
we
we can smell the gas and everything
Yeah.
should be as it should.
Yeah. But
no
now we
bueno.
think we have some issues with the fuel
Mm.
or the gas. So we will disassemble the vaporizer, I think it's called.
Mm.
And I'm not really sure what this is, but maybe we will find out.
Yeah.
And then the carburetor we will also take off and then take back to the workshop and clean it out and see if we can find any issues, and then hopefully it will start after we assemble it back.
Mm.
Yes.
Kyllä.
So let's get cracking. So let's maybe start to remove the intake filter.
Just to create some space.
Yeah. Then we see how rusty everything is and how difficult it will be to get it off. get them to the workshop and start opening stuff up to see what we. I mean, this one have seen better days, I think.
Yeah.
A lubrication and cleaning is well overdue. Oops. I think we found our problem.
I think so too.
Okie dokie, so we're back at the forklift outside in the cold. So with all the modifications and repairs done, we really hope it would start. But let's see. Much more promising sounds. Nice. This can actually start.
You try.
Yeah, gas is on.
Gas is on.
Booster. Time is running out for today.
Yeah.
So this is a wrap for this episode. I'm gonna take home some stuff and
Yeah.
make it right. and then we charge the battery. Then we try it once again next time.
Yeah.
So stay tuned for when it starts.
Absolutely. And I think I'm hopeful now. It should be. I mean, went through the carburetor and everything. It should work.
Yeah. I think it's too little juice and too cold now.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
next time,
Yeah.
stay tuned for that.